Assalamualaikum to Professor MADYA Dr. AZIANTI ISMAIL. We are from Group Case Study 4 who would like to present about DMG Mori Company. DMG Mori is a leading global manufacturer of machine tools, cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions for the metalworking industry. The company is the result of a merger between two renowned machine tools manufacturers between DMG Dekel Maho Glidemaster and Moriseki. This collaboration took place in 2013, forming a powerful force in the machining and industrial sector. The company's product portfolio is extensive and includes high quality of CNC, machine tools, lathes, milling machine, grinders, and additive manufacturing system. These cutting-edge machines are designed to optimize efficiency, productivity, and accuracy in various manufacturing processes, helping business achieve higher level of performance and competitiveness. DMG Mori's commitment to innovation and research is evident through its continuous development of advanced technologies, automation solutions, and software applications that enhance the overall manufacturing process. As a customer-centric organization, the company also places great emphasis on providing excellent technical support, training, and maintenance service to ensure that clients get the most out of their equipment. In conclusion, DMG Mori's history, technological expertise, and commitment to customer satisfaction have solidified its position as a leading player in the machine tool industry, driving innovation and shaping the future of manufacturing and engineering.
In introduction, I will also explain the problems and challenges that will be faced by the MG company. So, number one is they will face a rising cost. Number two, shop floor productivity. Number three, lack of training among the employee. Number four, competitions between the companies. And number five, technology advancement. Rising costs. Rising price of raw materials increase the expense of labor or change in the government laws. The MG Mori profits margin have been under pressure in recent years due to the rising cost of the raw materials, labors and energy. Because of that, the MG Mori production costs have been increased and the company had no choice but to give it to the customer higher price of their products. This challenge also caused by the company production facilities were located in Japan, which we all know it characterized by relatively high rate of wage inflation. Number two, shop floor productivity. This indicate that the company manufacturing process were not running at the optimal level of efficiency, which led to a decrease of output and increased the amount of time it took to produce the products. This could be result to several issues including inefficient workflows, bottlenecks, equipment malfunction or insufficient resource utilization. For example, when the machine may not be arranged in the manner that makes sense or there may be sufficient space for employee to easily move around. This may also be caused by the fact that the DMG Mori factories do not follow the standardization guideline. Lack of employee training. The phrase lack of employee training refers to instances which corporations such as the MG Mori fails to offer a staff with adequate learning and development opportunities to improve their skills, knowledge and capacities. Employees run to risk not possessing the necessary experience and ability to properly do their job if they do not receive the appropriate training. This lack of skill can lead inefficiency, error and diminished capacity to handle a difficult activities which will ultimately have the influence on production of the company overall performance. Number four, competition. The MG Mori face competition not only from a local regional manufacturer but also from formidable global competitor. It can be shown that the MG Mori competition with firms such as Siemens, Mazda and Okuma, there is a possibility that international competitors will have a lower labor and operating costs in their own nation, which will provide them a cost advantage. Technology advancements. Technology advancement might be difficult for the corporation to remain one step ahead of its rivals. Business that consistently put the money into research and development (R&D) to come up with an innovative product and service that considerable competitive advantage. So, the MG Mori must compete with the companies that are in the forefront of innovation.
What is value stream mapping? Value stream mapping, or as known as VSM, is a powerful tool to optimize production processes and address DMG Morris's challenges. VSM provides a visual representation of the entire production flow, identifying areas of waste and inefficiency. By analyzing the current state of production, DMG Mori can pinpoint bottlenecks, non-value added activities, and material flows. VSM helps streamline operations, reduce lead times, and eliminate unnecessary inventory, resulting in cost savings. By implementing VSM, DMG Mori can achieve higher productivity, enhance resources utilization, and improve overall performance. Thus, value stream mapping empowers DMG Mori to create a leaner, more efficient production process, enabling them to stay competitive and meet customer demands effectively. Just in time. What is just in time? Just in time, or also known as JIT, is a powerful tool that can help DMG Mori optimize production and reduce waste. JIT is a production strategy that aims to produce and deliver products when they are needed in the required quantity and quality. Benefits of JIT for DMG Mori. Number 1. Inventory reduction. JIT minimizes inventory levels, freeing up valuable space and reducing carrying costs. This helps DMG Mori save on storage expenses and minimize the risk of obsolete inventory. Number 2. Cost optimization. By producing only what is needed when it is needed, the MG Mori can reduce production costs and minimize waste. JIT enables efficient use of resources, resulting in cost savings. Number 3. Improve efficiency. JIT streamlines production processes, reducing lead times and eliminating non-value added activities. Thus, this results in improved shop floor organization and increased overall productivity. To implement JIT, what the MG Mori can do is number 1, identify customer demands. This can be done by analyzing customer demands patterns and adjusting production schedules accordingly. Number 2, establishing reliable supplier relationships. This can be done by collaborating closely with suppliers to ensure timely and high quality delivery of materials. Number 3, implement of pull system. By using pull systems to produce only when there is actual customer demand, this avoids overproduction. Number 4, reduce setup times. The MG Mori should focus on reducing setup times to enable quick and flexible production changeovers. Thus, just-in-time is a powerful production strategy that can help the MG Mori optimize production, reduce waste, and lower costs. By adopting JIT principles, the company can enhance efficiency, meet customer demands effectively, and achieve greater competitiveness in the market. 7S methodology. What is 7S methodology? The 7S methodology provides a comprehensive approach to address and enhance overall operational efficiency. The first S is sort. This is done by removing unnecessary items from the shop floor, reducing clutter and improve efficiency. Number 2, set in order. Organize tools and materials in a standardized manner for easy access and reduced setup times. Number 3, shine. maintain a clean and well-maintained workspace to enhance safety and productivity. Number 4, standardize. Establish consistent processes and procedures for efficient operations. Number 5, sustain. Foster a culture of continuous improvement and employee ownership in maintaining the 7S principles. Number 6, safety. Prioritize safety by removing hazards and promoting a safe work environment. Number 7, support. Provide the necessary resources and support to ensure successful implementation and sustainability. By applying the 7S methodology, it can benefit for the MG Mori by improving shop floor organization and cleanliness. It can also reduce non-value added time and waste, and also enhance safety and employee well-being. Other than that, it can also increase productivity and cost effectiveness. Thus, implementing the 7S methodology can lead to a well-organized, safe, and efficient shop floor, addressing the MG Morris's problem and driving the company towards greater success.
Jidoka is a Japanese term that means automation with a human touch. It is a lean manufacturing principle that aims to prevent defects by stopping the production line automatically if a problem is detected. This allows the operator to intervene and correct the problem before it causes further defects. This will help in producing high quality of products, increasing productivity, preventing machine breakdowns, and ensuring process safety. This Judoka system can be implemented in 3 parts in manufactured CNC milling machine, such as machining and components, electronics and control system, and lastly is calibration and testing. The machine structural components like the base, column, saddle, and headstock are manufactured through various machining processes such as casting, milling, turning, and grinding. During the machining of the structural components, the Jidoka system can be employed, such as force sensor. This sensor used to monitor critical variables such as cutting force, tool wear, and spindle speed, and to provide data on the force applied during the cutting process. They are placed between the cutting tool or holder and the machine spindle or workpiece. If an abnormality is detected, the system can automatically stop the machining process to prevent the production of defective components. Other manufacturing process that can implement Jidoka is electronics and control system. The machine integrates various electronic components, including the CNC system, motor drivers, and controllers, which allows precise control over its movement and cutting operations. The Jidoka system is employed during this stage, which includes a current sensor. This sensor monitors the electrical connection and motor functions by measuring the electrical current flowing through critical machine components like motors and motor drivers. Continuously monitoring the current levels, the sensor can detect any abnormal spikes, drops, or deviations from the expected range, indicating potential issues in the electrical system or motor functions. When such abnormalities are detected, the Jidoka system automatically halts the integration process to prevent further damage. It also alerts operator or maintenance personnel about the detected issue, enabling them to investigate, identify the root cause, and implement corrective actions. Lastly, Before the CNC milling machine is considered complete, it goes through calibration and rigorous testing to ensure all components and systems work correctly and meet performance standards. To improve quality assurance, Jidoka is used, which involves placing vibration sensor at critical points on the machine structure. This sensor continuously monitors vibrations while the machine operates. If the vibration exceeds acceptable levels or deviates from expected patterns, the system immediately stops and alerts the operator or maintenance personnel. This proactive approach prevents the production of defective products and allows quick intervention to resolve any issue. Other than Jidoka technique, Kaizen technique also can be another method that can provide effective solutions. Kaizen is a Japanese word that refers to a process of continuous improvements in the standard way of work. It involves making small incremental improvements in efficiency, productivity, and quality. With the goal of achieving excellence in the production, the Kaizen can be implemented in DMG Mori, such as create a culture of continuous improvements, set clear goals and objectives, and lastly, provide training and support. DMG Mori needs to establish a culture where all employees are encouraged to identify and suggest improvements in their work process. This can be done through regular communication, training, and recognition of employee contributions. When a company embraces this culture, it empowers employees at all levels to proactively identify areas for enhancement and suggest innovative solutions. This inclusivity leads to a more engaged and motivated workforce as employees feel valued and heard, resulting in increased productivity and job satisfaction. Other than that, DMG Mori management need to define specific goals and objectives for the improvement process. These goals should be aligned with the overall business objective and focus on improving specific aspects such as productivity, quality, safety, or lead times. When goals are well defined and communicated, employees gain a clear sense of direction and purpose in their work. They understand what needs to be achieved and can align their efforts accordingly, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. Lastly, provide training and support to employees to enhance their skill and knowledge in process improvement techniques. This can include training on lean manufacturing principles, problem-solving techniques, and quality improvement tools. By providing employees with the necessary knowledge and skills through training programs and educational initiatives, their organization can significantly enhance its workforce competence and efficiency. Well-trained employees are better equipped to handle their roles and responsibilities, leading to improved productivity and streamlined operations.
Assalamualaikum, my name is MUHAIMIN bin Abdullah, and in this slide I will discuss on the result of implementing LPS, TPL tool or technique applied to MG Mori. The first result showed that the MG Mori addressing a daily problem much more quickly and efficiently. The first component that introduced was after implementing the 7S methodology, which is the SHINE approach, emphasizing the importance of clean and well-maintained workplace. By maintaining this simulated environment, the MG Mori staff could quickly identify potential problems and take appropriate action to address them. Next is value stream mapping. A game changer for the MG Mori was the adoption of value stream mapping, also known as VSM. This powerful tool provide them with a visual representation of their process, enabling the swift detection of bottleneck and inefficiency. This newfound visibility enhanced their decision-making capabilities, empowering the team implementally time improvement, thus preventing issues from escalating. As a result, the MG Mori achieved a smoother and more efficient workflow. Next is if Tulip no-code platform. But the MG Mori didn't stop there. To further elevate their efficiency, they implement a monitoring technique using a Tulip no-code platform to create a spindle assembly apps. This innovative approach enabled increased process visibility along their production lines. Collaborating closely with the operator, the company's engineer built a custom application capturing the numbers, the nuances of their works. This tailor-made so the solution foster improved efficiency and overall performance throughout assembly process. The second result shows improving the line efficiency from 71% to 96%. The MG Mori experienced remarkable boost in this line efficiency through the implementation of VSM. This improvement brought forth the multitude of the benefit for the company, notably in waste reduction, resulting in cost saving and positive environmental impact. By streamlining their process, the overall system performance productivity surged, allowing them to achieve a greater success through efficiency. Another pivotal decision made by the MG Mori was adoption of Tulip advanced technology to digitalize their spindle line. They harnessed the variety of Tulip feature to increase the efficiency and visibility throughout the assembly process. Placing Tulip I/O gateway at each station along the spindle manufacturing line allowed the MG Mori to record aggregate real-time production data, connecting their apps to IoT device and strategically position along the line. This comprehensive data collection now provides a total end-to-end process visibility. Thanks to Tulip technology, the MG Mori operator experienced a significant enhancement in their efficiency. Instead of relying on the static paper form, they now immediate access to precise digital drawing and instruction. They add the benefit of rotation zooming and expanding visual, enable better accuracy and efficiency. Furthermore, the spindle assembly application present operator with a customized digital checklist tailored to each specific spindles. By scanning a work order, selecting a step in the applications, and they can mark the task of complete upon finishing it. This is all from me. Now I'll pass to ANAQI for the next point of the next result from the MG Mori. Thank you.
Thank you, Muhaimin. Now I will proceed the result findings at the MG Mori. Well, in an article from TXMLin Solutions stated that at the MG Mori, they introduced lean manufacturing principles which made a significant difference in their operations. They were able to improve their on-time delivery by a remarkable 28%, showing how efficient they became in meeting delivery deadlines and making customers happy. By streamlining their production processes and reducing unnecessary steps, they worked more efficiently and eliminated delays. They also use a smart concept called Jidoka, where they install sensors on their machines to help operators identify and solve the problems quickly, which is reducing wait times and improving productivity. This also gives an example when the MG Mori embrace predictive maintenance as which is a smart way to predict and prevent equipment failures before they happen, and by doing so they save time and save money by avoiding unexpected breakdowns. They probably give proper training, empowering them to detect and fix potential issues. And this commitment to continuous improvement help them become a reliable and successful organization in the competitive manufacturing industry. And lastly is, after the impressive on-time delivery improvement, while the MG Mori focused on continuous improvement and waste reduction, delivered a remarkable 44.7% reduction in average rework points per project. Well, by empowering their employees to take ownership of problem solving, the MG Mori minimized costly rework activities and improve product quality, and also leading to higher customer satisfaction. and by strengthening their continuous improvement efforts, while the MG Mori introduced communication centers promoting open collaboration and teamwork among teams, which is the daily stand-up meetings allow the employees to discuss challenges, to review operational performance, and collaboratively address issues before proceed to the workstation. And by integrating lean principles, waste reduction strategies, and effective communication practices, the MG Mori demonstrated a holistic approach to enhancing operational efficiency and maximizing productivity. Well, as a result, they have solidified their position as a market leader in the manufacturing industry, which equipped to tackle challenges and seize opportunities in the global market. That's all from me. Thank you. Now we're going to proceed to the recommendation.
For recommendation, I will be discuss 4 types of technologies can be applied by the MG Moris in their production. Number 1 is artificial intelligence or AI. Number 2 is autonomous robot. Number 3 is Internet of Things, and number 4 is simulation. As the industry leaders in the production of machine tools, the MG Mori faced of a variety of difficulty caused by the rivalry in the various markets throughout the world. The company must implement a multi-phase strategy which places a focus on innovation, customer service, efficiency in operations, diversity of the market, and the talent development in order to successfully overcome this challenge and achieve their goals. Number 1, artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence has a potential to improve operation efficiency and optimize the manufacturing process. Predictive maintenance and real-time analytics that are powered by AI may cut the amount of time machines are offline, cut down on unexpected maintenance, and optimize production schedule, of all which contribute to a higher level of productivity and lower overall production cost. For example, the MG Mori can use AI-driven system which rely on a complex algorithm and machine learning approach to evaluate data, learn from the patterns, and adjust their activities based on experience without implicit programming. Number 2 is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is extremely important to the MG Mori because it provides an intensive range of benefits and opportunities that have a potential to completely transform the company business operation. The Internet of Things (IoT) is a network of linked electronic devices and sensors that are gathered information and share with another over the internet. By integrating IoT device into the machine tools, the MG Mori is able to establish a linked ecosystem in which machine system and process can communicate and work with another in a seamless manner. Next is autonomous robots. Machines that are capable of carrying out activities or operation without the need for direct interact from human are referred as autonomous robots. They are able to observe the surrounding, make a judgment, and carry out activities based on established algorithm or by learning from the data they collect with help of the sensors, processor, and software that are built into them. So, the MG Mori might increase their abilities in production by utilizing a Phonak CR35IA robot, which is a high-speed precision robot that is designed for use of range of manufacturing application. And finally is simulation. This due to the fact that simulation is a powerful and flexible method that utilized across a wide variety field to simulate a real-world scenarios and system in which a virtual environment. This technology enables user to view and evaluate the operation of the system without having a physically engaged with it. So, the company is able to spot possible problems, improve the design, shorten the amount of time and the money spent on the development, and also stimulate the performance and behavior of the design before physically protecting them. That's all from us. Thank you.